Well, welcome. I am at a place called Braunton Burrows. Now, I've looked on the map and we've had a long run of very light easterly winds. So I am now walking through what is a military training ground during the day or during the week. I'm just going to slowly pan round there. And you can see, so the idea is a lot of the sand dunes are taken up by the military. Now, there's one place right on the corner called Crow Point, and looking at the Google Earth, it looks like it'll take an easterly. So I've bought the new CX Mini Riz just to see how we get on. So I've got about another 10-minute walk where we're going to come up against the basically walk along the estuary to get to Crow Point. I'm now through onto the estuary. That's the very end of Crow Point, and I'm looking at possibly flying that bit that's just further along. Oh my god, well, I've made it on the top of this sand dune. Let me just show where I am. So what you see there, that's the back of the dunes. That's Biddeford, Westwood Hoe. And I'm going to come round here, and this is what we're flying. In fact, I think all of this will work. We have about 4 miles an hour, and I've got to be honest with you, if it goes down the bottom, I ain't walking back up again. Right, here we go. 1CX rest, Braunton Burrows. Okay, I'm going to give these a little run of dunes. We've got 3 to 4 miles an hour. I'm going to give this a go. Well, that was some cracking fun. CXRS, absolutely fantastic on these little dunes, 3 to 4 mile an hour. I have a slight issue, which is a pitch issue, which is entirely my fault. So at the moment the covering is a little bit tight on the tailplane. So basically what's happening is that it's difficult for me to get a neutral trim position. So I'm going to sort that out when I get home. But yeah, now I've got some idea where the C of G is. I can put a toe up, but to be honest with you, these tiny little sand dunes here, it's absolutely cracking on there. I might just keep it just for that. Anyway, now I've got to jump back to the car.